At the main screen, we can see here that Samsung's included a task manager, which is great. We really like the ability to close individual applications. We can close all of the applications at once with the exit all button. We also have the ability to clear our RAM, which you can see here closed 15 applications, and when we return to the home screen, you'll see it takes a couple seconds to pop up as it restarts only those necessary applications. The capacitive buttons along the bottom edge aren't engaged by the touch of the S Pen, but we can swipe from the bottom of the screen to the top to bring up the menu, the same way as if we push the button with our finger. Let's now take a quick look at some of the applications that come with the Samsung Galaxy Note. At the top of the list we have the All Share program, calculator and clock, as well as the contacts. Now everything within the OS is really fast and responsive, as we can see here firing through contacts. If we go back to the list, we have crayon physics, which is included for drawing with crayons, as well as the built-in internet application. Now this is a bit of a contention with us, because as you see we open it up and it asks us to use which application we want, because we had Firefox set as the default. It asks us a second time as well. Then when we go to search, it will actually open up Firefox to complete the search instead of using the internet application. There were times when we wish we could have just used the built-in internet application. Heading back to the applications, we see the mini diary as well as the music player. Now music pops up extremely quickly. Again, we can fire through our music list, which had our entire Atmosphere discography in there, and then back to the programs list without any hesitations in the OS. Samsung has also included a file manager called My Files that allows us to go through the entire file system of this Galaxy Note. And if we go to open a photo here, it'll ask us what we want to use, Pixelmatic or Gallery or any other camera programs that we had installed. You can also see that we're swiping from the right to the left to go back to screens, just as the back button would. The phone application opens quickly and closes just as quickly for easy access, as well as all of the applications. We can also see here the Google Play Store as well as Polaris Office, and then the group of S-Memo programs, S-Choice, S-Memo, and S-Planner. And that does it for the applications. Back on the home screen, we'll have a quick look at Firefox browser and just show that you can see entire web pages and it doesn't actually bring up mobile sites. You can just go to the full-size web pages. Here we've gone to Hardware Canucks. We also get this strange message at the bottom of the screen asking us to upgrade to a full version of a previous app, which happened once in a while. But click on a link. The website's responsive even on a full site, and when you open up an image, it'll open up a jQuery image to bring it full size. So again, we've got a full browser here in Firefox, and on the large screen is very useful. Flipping through the OS, you can go from panel to panel. Everything's quick and responsive. Let's now take a quick screenshot using the S Pen by holding down the button and pressing on the screen. As you see here, I missed the button the first time, but once we have it, the screenshot gets taken, and then it opens up Gallery immediately for us to annotate or adjust the screenshot or crop it or do any number of things here with the program. This is the sort of built-in aspect of the Galaxy Note that we really like and we really appreciate. We found it very useful to be able to take a quick screenshot and then share it or print it with Samsung printers. In the Share It menu, we have every option available, from Dropbox, which we used a lot, as well as sending it with email or Messenger. We found Dropbox the most useful. You simply take a screenshot, open up the Share It, click on Upload, and it goes into our Dropbox folder. But we also used TweetDeck or the Social Hub a lot, just to send a quick tweet with the photo. It attaches it, uploads it to TwitPic automatically. The last program we're going to take a look at here is the Gallery or the photo editor application. We just had a quick photo of our setup as we were videotaping here. We just want to show some of the features that the photo editor has. Now we have a full list of saturation, contrast, a cool vintage effect that everybody seems to like so much. But you can also adjust the color temperature. Now, even though they got it wrong, and if you go up it becomes cooler, and if you go down it becomes warmer, the fact of the matter is it's almost like a raw image where you can adjust the temperature of every image you take. We also have the lasso tool here that you can see we're using to cut out the camera. You can cut out a square box to crop an image, or simply cut that part of an image out and then bring up the Tools menu, select the pen, and then write a quick annotation if you want to isolate something. The best part of the photo editor is the fact that we can edit this photo and then write anything we want on it, do any of the changes that we want. But then you can share it with another editor program such as Pixelmatic, make your changes, apply an effect, and then send it off as we normally would. This makes the photo editor program extremely versatile, we found.